Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of Agile and exploring how its principles can be applied far beyond the realm of software development. We'll be looking at how Agile can transform various industries, enhancing efficiency and adaptability. Agile is applied to construction, marketing, education, and healthcare. At the heart of Agile lies a set of core principles that are universally applicable, regardless of the industry. These principles guide teams to be more responsive and customer-focused. Customer collaboration is preferred over contract negotiation, ensuring that the project aligns with customer needs throughout its lifecycle. Responding to change is valued over strictly following a plan, allowing for flexibility and adaptation as new information arises. Individuals and interactions are prioritized over rigid processes and tools, fostering a collaborative and communicative environment. Working deliverables take precedence over comprehensive documentation, emphasizing practical results and tangible outcomes. Let's explore some real-world examples of Agile in action outside of software. First is the construction industry. Bolt Company successfully implemented Agile principles in their construction projects, leading to reduced waste and improved efficiency. Key points include daily stand-up meetings to quickly address issues, iterative planning with 2-week work cycles, a 20% reduction in project delivery time, and improved client satisfaction through regular feedback. Second is healthcare delivery. Virginia Mason Medical Center applied Agile methodologies to improve patient care processes. Important aspects of this case study include cross-functional teams focused on patient-centered care, visual management boards to track progress, a 45% reduction in wait times in certain departments, and continuous improvement through regular retrospectives. Now, let's consider a couple more examples of Agile implementation beyond the world of software. First is education. Curriculum development at Olin College of Engineering utilized Agile methodologies. The benefits include iterative course design incorporating student feedback, sprint-based academic terms, collaborative teaching teams, and rapid adaptation to learning outcomes. Second is marketing campaigns. National Public Radio, or NPR, implemented Agile for their marketing and content strategy. The results include 2-week content sprints, cross-functional teams comprising of writers, designers, and analysts, data-driven iterations based on audience metrics, and a 30% increase in audience engagement. Agile frameworks such as Scrum and Kanban can be adapted for various non-software teams. Scrum is suitable for marketing, research, and product development teams. Key adaptations involve defining the criteria for non-code deliverables, adjusting sprint lengths based on the industry's pace, modifying daily stand-ups for field teams, and creating physical or digital task boards. Kanban works well for operations, maintenance, and service delivery. Implementation steps include visualizing the current workflow, limiting work in progress, managing flow with clear policies, and implementing feedback loops. Adopting Agile in non-software settings can present several challenges. Resistance to change from traditional project managers is a common hurdle. There can be difficulty defining what done means for non-software deliverables. Regulatory requirements may demand upfront planning, which seems counterintuitive to Agile. Physical constraints in manufacturing or construction can pose problems. Stakeholders may expect detailed long-term plans which don't align with Agile's iterative nature. Practical solutions include starting with hybrid approaches that blend Agile with traditional methods, creating clear acceptance criteria for physical deliverables, developing compliance-friendly documentation within sprints, using rolling wave planning for long-term forecasting, and educating stakeholders on value-based progress metrics. Here is a simple roadmap on how to implement Agile in non-software projects. First, assess and adapt. Evaluate your current processes and identify which Agile principles can add the most value. Adapt frameworks to fit your specific context. Second, build cross-functional teams. Form teams with diverse skills needed to deliver complete work items. Focus on collaboration and shared responsibility. Third, start small and measure. Begin with a pilot project. Establish clear metrics to track improvements in delivery time, quality, and stakeholder satisfaction. Several tools and techniques can facilitate Agile implementation. For visual management, consider physical Kanban boards, which are magnetic whiteboards with movable cards for teams in shared physical spaces. Use information radiators, which are large visible displays showing real-time project status and metrics. Also consider digital tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com for distributed teams. For collaboration, consider techniques such as daily stand-ups, which are 15-minute synchronization meetings focused on progress and blockers. Another important technique is retrospectives, which are regular team reflection sessions to improve processes. Lastly, use user story mapping, which helps in visualizing the user journey to prioritize work effectively. In conclusion, let's summarize the key takeaways and outline the next steps. Agile principles can be successfully applied to any project that benefits from iterative development and customer feedback. Adapt frameworks to fit your context rather than forcing your processes to fit a rigid methodology. Measure outcomes, not just activities, to demonstrate the value of Agile approaches. Recommended resources include The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, Agile Project Management by Jim Highsmith, and the Agile Alliance's non-software resources. As an action plan, first identify one project to pilot Agile approaches. Second, train team members on Agile principles. Third, establish metrics to measure improvement. And fourth, schedule regular retrospectives to adapt. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.